Humans aren't the strongest or the fastest. So how did we become the smartest species on Earth? The secret isn't our muscles, it's our incredible brain. But humans weren't always this intelligent. Millions of years ago, our ancestors lived in the forest of Africa. Life was simple: climb trees, find food, and avoid dangerous predators. Then the climate began to change. Forests slowly disappeared, and vast grasslands spread across Africa. Without many trees, our ancestors had to spend more time walking on the ground. Walking on two legs gave humans a huge advantage. It freed both hands. Free hands could carry food, babies, and useful objects over long distances. Soon, those hands began creating one of humanity's greatest inventions: stone tools. At first, these tools were simple, but they made cutting meat and breaking bones much easier. Eating more meat gave our ancestors extra protein and energy. Over thousands of generations, their brains slowly became larger and more powerful. A bigger brain meant better memory, smarter decisions, and creative thinking. But intelligence alone wasn't enough. The next discovery would change human history forever: fire. Around 1 million years ago, humans learned how to control fire. It became one of the greatest discoveries in history. Fire kept dangerous animals away and gave humans warmth during cold nights. Then humans made an even bigger discovery: cooking food. Cooked food was softer, safer to eat, and much easier to digest. Because digestion became easier, the body could spend more energy growing a larger and smarter brain. But humans had another secret weapon: they learned to communicate better than any other animal. Instead of working alone, people began hunting together as a team. Teamwork made hunting easier, safer, and much more successful. Even more importantly, humans could teach each other what they had learned. Every new generation started where the previous one left off. Knowledge kept growing instead of starting over. Humans didn't just react to danger. They learned to plan for the future. They stored food, built shelters, and prepared for changing seasons. Their imagination helped them solve problems before they even happened. Every new invention made life easier and gave humans more time to think, create, and discover. About 12,000 years ago, humans made another revolutionary discovery: farming. Instead of searching for food every day, people began growing it themselves. Over time, simple tools became axes, spears, needles, and many other inventions. Villages slowly grew into towns, and towns eventually became the world's first civilizations. With a reliable food supply, families could stay in one place and build permanent homes. As more people lived together, they shared ideas, invented new technologies, and learned from one another faster than ever before. Then came one of humanity's greatest inventions: writing. For the first time, knowledge didn't have to stay inside someone's memory. Ideas could now travel across cities, and even survive for thousands of years. Each generation learned everything the previous generation had already discovered. This is called cumulative knowledge, and it's one of the biggest reasons humans became the smartest. As knowledge grew, humans began asking bigger questions about the world around them. Curiosity led to science, and science led to incredible discoveries. People invented machines that could do work faster and more efficiently than human muscles. Then came electricity, computers, and the internet, allowing billions of people to share knowledge instantly. So, what makes humans different from every other animal? It's not because we have the biggest brains. Whales and elephants have larger ones. It's because humans combine language, imagination, teamwork, and shared knowledge like no other species. Every generation learns from the last, making human knowledge grow faster and faster. That's why humans became the smartest animals, not because we were born the strongest, but because we never stopped learning. Today, humans have reached places no other animal ever imagined: outer space. We've landed on the moon and sent robots to explore Mars. We've also built computers that can solve problems in seconds. Now, humans are creating artificial intelligence to help solve even bigger challenges. But no matter how advanced technology becomes, it all started with one curious ancestor asking simple questions. Curiosity pushed humans to explore, experiment, and never stop learning. Every question led to another discovery, and every discovery changed the world. Human intelligence isn't just about having a big brain. It's about sharing ideas across generations. So, what do you think will be humanity's next great discovery? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing science stories.